Morning, guys. So we got a technician coming out this morning, going to check all three of our ACs. We'll make sure everything's good on those. The one of them I know we have a problem with, and so we're hoping for good news on that, because we've had it looked at one time before, and the technician basically said, you got to replace it. It can't be fixed. Which, it don't sound right. No, something, there's more to it than that. Not just, what's wrong with it? How about that? So we got a guy going to come out and look at it, and I talked to him on the phone. He seemed like a nice kid, so he's going to come out, take a look at it, and we're hoping that we'll get some good news from him. It sounds like he's very knowledgeable, and we'll see. Won't be long. He'll be here, and I'll get a little bit of footage of him checking them out. Before the hot weather hits, we're getting all our AC serviced. Anybody in the South knows summer comes soon. So, getting a little pre-summer maintenance done. So you guys saw where I had Devin come out here, my RV repair guy, super nice guy. Came out here, I want him to service all three of my units, and particularly the first unit we was having problems with. And when we was in Corpus Christi, we had a guy look at it, and he was like, the whole unit's bad, you got to replace it. We can replace it for you, and all this, trying to run me up the flagpole. And we held off. I was like, that just don't sound right. So, once again, just by shopping around and making sure you got the right information, we saved again. When we bought our tires, we was quoted almost $9,000. We waited, got to Mississippi, $5,400. Instead of spending $5,000 to replace the AC and all that, $350. It was a capacitor. That was all, just a capacitor. And be careful, man. When you get some of these people out there to look at your rigs, and you know, there's some really good people out there, but there's some that are less than honest. So, you know, Terry and I are really thankful and blessed that we're in a position to wait and make sure we get someone that's going to do a good job for us. Devin, you know, I was on the phone with him. I talked to him a little bit before he ever come out, and you know, such a nice kid. You know, really nice guy. Come out here, professional. You know, very polite. You know, told me what he was doing, showed me what he was doing, explained, you know, this, and so, you know, felt very comfortable with him, and I'm super pleased. So, thanks, Devin.
Thanks for calling.